Hey all, this is Bando Picks. I'm gonna do a little tour of my lock lab and then also show you my Oliver. He's a long-haired dachshund. Okay, so I got the, who makes this? Oh, Lockjaw Manufacturing mat. Really loving it. Love the teeth here. Makes it super awesome to film things here. Some Moki pinning trays, so like a small pinning tray and a bigger one. My 3D Lock Sport subscriber stand. I do not have 200 subscribers, but I would like 200 subscribers. Let me sit down here. My pack lock. This is the Pack Lock 98 Pro, the 200K Club. Real nice. This one's kind of heavy. This is my Master 747. Not Master, American Lock 747. Big old chunky guy. One of the first locks I found in the wild, believe it or not. Got my Covert Instruments jackknife, basically. I forgot what it's called. Oh, Covert Instruments Covert Companion. That's what it is. Covert Instruments Covert Companion. And I got mine fully decked out with just about as much as you can put in it. Got all my poker chips. One of my Marine Corps rings. I was in the Marine Corps. Here's some shims that I've made out of this old security tags, basically. Here's my arch nemesis, the American 1100s. This is one of my favorite little locks to pick. This is a cool thing here. This is actually a screwdriver. So it comes out as a screwdriver and it's got all those bits in the side of it. And you put it back in the top of here. You just use it like a regular screwdriver. Obviously that wouldn't work too good for locks, but I do have it. Use it for other projects here. Coming over here, I have my lock stands. These are made by Eastlands. They're super nice. Very cool lock picking stands. Over here I've done kind of like Sandman did. It is my Moki Pick station in green. One of my favorite colors. It goes with my setup. Green, black, and gold is kind of my setup. And this definitely goes with it. Sitting on top of ITW. I forget what it stands for, but ITS Tactical is what it is. But it's sitting on one of those mats. I got my whiteboard here to kind of help me remind things. I probably should have written some notes beforehand. Covert Instruments Echelon set. Moki Lockmaster Jackknife Moki Edition. We can show that too. Very cool. But yeah, so that's my station. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.